Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shweta's Kitchen. Today we are going to make pizza bombs. I know that lockdown has taken a toll on us and no pizzas, no burgers, so it becomes very difficult for us to stand in the kitchen all time and cook for our loved ones. So yeah, this is a quick recipe. Come, let's see the ingredients. Ingredients for the pizza bomb are, we need this for stir frying, making the vegetable which is to be stuffed into the bread. So here we have one large diced onion, one large diced capsicum, 5 cloves. Here we have half bowl of this is American corn. We have butter. Here we have 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, cheese for the topping, and this is butter. This is garlic butter. So I have mixed butter with garlic, 4 cloves of garlic and some oregano. Now I'm going to heat this up in microwave and then it will be ready to brush it on top of the ladi bread. So here we need ladi bread, ladi pav. This is the top of the ladi pav should be soft. Alright, so this is the pav which is used for pav bhaji. Okay, and here I have kulcha, garlic kulcha bread. So I'll do the stuffing for this also. So it will be mini pizzas. And here we'll make pizza bombs. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so in a kadai I have taken a teaspoon of butter and little bit of oil so that the butter doesn't burn. So we will melt this butter. The vegetable will be only stir fried. There's no cooking in it. It's just stir fry. So we add garlic, okay. Medium flame. Don't burn the garlic. So this is to be done on a medium flame. After the garlic is half done, we add the onions, and the capsicum. Okay, we add the capsicum and the American corn. Now we give it a nice stir fry. The onions should get nice and translucent, and the capsicum shouldn't lose its crunchiness. In this vegetable you can add other vegetables also, like baby corn or mushrooms or carrot. So this is the best way your child can eat all vegetables. So we let it cook for some time. So now we can see that the onions are nice and translucent. Here. So now we add a little bit of salt. Since we are making this in butter, you have to be careful on the quantity of salt. And then in goes the oregano and chili flakes and a little bit of pepper, just a pinch of pepper, just for the flavor. And you stir fry these vegetables nicely. Since we'll be cooking this in the oven, baking this in the oven, the vegetables need not be fully cooked. Okay, so the vegetable for the stuffing is done. Next we will go on to the setting. Okay, so now we go to the setting of the pizza bombs. So for that you take ladi pav. You do this in the baking tray itself. So for the ladi pav, you make a square cut in each pav in the middle. Okay, and you press it inside. Okay, so similarly we do for the others. And you press it inside. And for the third one, press it inside. So now we have done this. See, you get a clear picture. So you just press it inside. Now I have pizza sauce with me. This is ready-made Dr. Oetker pizza topping. Generally I apply tomato ketchup, but now that I have this, I'm going to use this. So we are going to apply pizza sauce inside. Okay. So this pizza sauce should be properly applied on all four sides. Okay. So that way. So we apply pizza sauce to the kulchas also, or the mini pizza base. You can do this with the ketchup also, but now that I have the pizza topping, I'm using that. Okay, so here we have our vegetable, the stir fried vegetable. So we are going to stuff this with the vegetable. So you stuff this with the vegetable. Similarly, you spread vegetable on this. So you have a proper spread. Last but not least, you add cheese on top. Make a nice layer. Now you can add a little oregano over this, but I am not going to add oregano. I will just dust it with some pepper. That way. Again here we will add cheese to this. Any cheese will do. This is just processed cheese. So any cheese will do. Mozzarella, cheddar, processed. any cheese that is available with you. So we'll do this. And last but not the least, this is the melted butter, the garlic butter. So I take this butter and I just apply it. So this gives a nice crunchy taste to the bread. Okay, so all four sides you apply the butter. Some garlic about. Okay. Now the butter. So now this goes into the oven. The oven is nicely preheated to 180 degrees for 10 minutes. And now you put it into the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes, or till the cheese on top is nicely melted.